Hi, my name is Bradley Mayer-Harman with the Mayer-Harman Real Estate Team, and today I have the privilege of showing you 30 Kline Court. This private, semi-detached home has a walkout basement with a gorgeous lot, one of the biggest pie-shaped lots in the area. And this property is located in Heartlake. So before we go and check out the house, let's go see what this community has to offer. Within walking distance, you have the Heartlake Plaza, Conestoga Plaza. You've got schools and recreation centers, libraries, as well as the conservation areas, which include Loafers Lake, Heartlake, and the Etobicoke Creek Trail. Don't forget about golfing. Turnberry Golf Club is also right around the corner. Don't delay. Come check out this house today. Now that you've seen the community, let's go check out the house. So as you walk into this home, you'll notice that the kitchens, the windows, the bathrooms have all been done. So really it's just a matter of you moving in with your family and enjoying this turnkey home. What's really cool about this walkout basement is this wet bar that faces the back stone wall with a wood stove for nice fires and romantic evenings with you and your partner. So even though the interior of this home is immaculate, you can't deny that these things cannot be replicated. Specifically, this gorgeous, large, pie-shaped lot, two-tier deck, and this fantastic neighborhood. It might be cold now, but in this hot market, this house won't last long. So be sure to call the Mayer-Harman team for a private showing today.